ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्रीरामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ॐ श्री हनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनं। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्री तुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्री तुलसीदासाय नमः। Hari Om, a very, very, very warm welcome to this, one of the most beautiful series in our Ramacharita-manas, Sampurna Tulsi Ramayana Katha, where on the final day of this series, Bhagavan Shri Ramchandraji's avatara is going to take place. So, this is one of the most wonderful series. A warm welcome. King Pratapa Bhanu, ascended the throne. And we know the previous story. I will not go back and waste more time because we have lots to cover. जहां लही कहे पुराण श्रुति, एक एक सब जागा, बार सहस्र सहस्र नृप किय सहित अनुराग. When his father gave him the throne, gave him the responsibility and retired to Vanaprastha, to the forest, Pratap Bhanu, a very, very wonderful person, valorous person, and who followed dharma and who extremely cared for all his praja, whatever dharmic activities was expected of him, he did 1,000 times of that. Sahasra sahasra. So to that extent, he was good for the entire praja as well as far as the spiritual activities concerned, which we completed last class, Doha number 155. Now we will proceed. हृदय न कछु फल अनुसंधाना, भूप विवेकी परम सुजाना, करई जे धर्म कर्म मन बानी, वासुदेव अर्पित नृप ज्ञानी, छड़ी बर बाजी बार एक राजा, मृगया कर सब साजी समाजा, विंध्याचल गभीर बन गयऊ, मृग पुनीत बहुमारत भयऊ, फिरत विपिन नृपदी खबराहु, जनु बन दुरेऊ ससिह ग्रसिराहु, बड़ विधु नहीं समात मुख माही, मनहु क्रोध बस उगिलत नाही, कोल कराल दसन छबि गाई, तनु विशाल पीवर अधिकाई, घुरु घुरात गय आरोपाए, चकित बिलोकत खान उठाए, नील महीधर शिखर सम, देखी विशालक बराहु, चपरी चले उहय सुटुकी नृप, हांकि न होई निबाहु, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भय सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. हृदय न कछु फल अनुसंधाना. Actually speaking, his heart was very pure. Na kachu phala, he was not having any demand, desire for this kind of a fruit of action, that kind of, I want this, I want to possess this, I want to acquire. Nothing like that. He was very pure at heart. Bhupa Bibeka Parama Sujana. And the king was Viveki, very intelligent. And Parama Sujana, he not only was intelligent, he had wisdom also. A very wonderful king. Karaije dharma karama manabani. Whatever meritorious actions, dharma karma, how would he do? A very well integrated by thought, word and deed. He would do every action meritoriously. Vasudeva arpita nripagyani. His jnanam, a knowledgeable person, would do it with humility. Vasudeva arpita. He would surrender it, everything at the feet of Bhagavan Vishnu. Chadibar baji bar ek raja. The very nature of a king Or rather, we may always, there is nothing wrong in saying a dharma of a king is to prove his prowess. He has to make people understand that he is valorous enough to protect them. And one of the very common feature of a king is going for hunting. The hunting is a very a wonderful activity, joyful activity for them. Those are all part of those centuries. All right. Hunting is a very important hobby, we may say. A joyful sport, we may say. So, Chadivara Bajivara Eko Raja. Now, Pratapabhanu sat on his horse and then he started one day. Mrigayakara Sabasaji Samaja, equipping himself very, very, very well with all, weapons for hunting. Vindhyachala Gabhira Banagayavu. He went towards Vindhya range of hills and forests. Mrigapunita Bahumarata Bhayavu. He killed lot of very beautiful deers. Deer hunting is a very common factor in those days. See, you and I now, in this developed nation, we have so many animal caring department in the government. Isn't it? I forgot the name of that department. Who takes care of animal welfare. And so they will, today if you go for hunting, you will be sued. You will be put behind the bars. But those days, that is how they would prove their valor. So, he went with he killed lot of beautiful deers. Phirata bipina nrupadikhi barahu. And while going deeper and deeper in the woods, in the forest, suddenly he saw one wild dikhi barahu. He found one boar, very wild boar. Janubana dureu sasihi grasirahu. It looked as though there could have been one object, like a moon-like object, a very orbit kind of a thing. Now that boar wanted to hold that object and eat away probably. So he was holding, it was trying to push that object into its mouth. And it was looking like it was looking like a Rahu in his mouth. Grasi Rahu. Bada bidhu nahi samana mukhamahi. But that product, that orb, the orbit of that particular thing was big enough to go into its mouth. Manahu krodha basa agilata nahi. It was full of range. Why is it not going inside? And then it cannot discard. Why? That ego. How can I not do it? How can it not go into my mouth? I will do it. Okay. He was very fearful, that boar. Kola karala dasana chabigai. And it is one of the most beautiful thing I have now caught. Therefore, I will have to eat it. Tanu bisala pivar adhikai. The body, the boar was huge. It was not a small little child, it was a huge boar, enormous size, very bulky boar. Guruguratahaya aropaye. It was trying to grab, crawl, and then push it into its mouth and things like that. And suddenly it found one horse. One group of horse it found. Raja will not go alone, you see. Some of his sevaks, servants, soldiers and all would go. So the moment it saw the group of horses, Chakita bilokata kana uthaye, it pricking up, suddenly its ears went up, trying to listen. You can see even in our houses or dogs, suddenly when they hear something, the 2 ears will go up, become sharp to hear what it is. So, Chakita bilok kana uthaye, it lifted its kana. Neelamahi dhara sikhara sama, dekhi bisala barahu, chapari chale muhaya सुटु की नृप हांकि न होई निबाहु. Now what did happen? Neela Mahidhara Shikara Sama. It was like a big purple mountain, huge, very bulky boar. Deki Bisala Barahu. Even that huge boar, the moment you see, even horses would get a little afraid, will get a little scared. Chapari chale hayasuti ki nripa. The moment the king saw the boar, he whipped the horse and said, go near. I have to kill. So to challenge the boar. Hakina hoini bahu, and saying it could no longer escape. I will not allow that boar to escape. I will kill that boar. One of my best target in this hunting session. He must have, all those things. You can probably imagine a little more. Continuing, Tulsidas ji expresses, Avat dekhi adhikarav baji chale ubaraha marutagati baji तुरत कीन नृप सर संधाना मही मिली गयउ बिलोकत बाना तकी तकी तीर महीस चलावा करि छल सुअर शरीर बचावा प्रगटत दुरत जाई मृग भागा ऋषभस भूप चले संगता लागा गयउ दूरी घन गहन बराहु जहाँ नाही न गज बाजिबनि बाहु अति अकेल बन विपुल कलेसु तदपि न मृग मग तजई नरेसु खोल बिलो की भूप बड़ धीरा भागी पैठ गिरि गुहा गभीरा अगम देखी नृप अति पछिताई फिरे महाबन परे भुलाई खेद खिन्न क्षुद्धित तृषित राजा बाजी समेत खोजत व्याकुल सरित सर जल बिनु भयउ अचेत सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। आवत देखी अधिकरव बाजी, when Avata Dhiki, when it saw all the horse coming nearby, getting closer with greater noise, the sound of that horse. Chale ubaraha marutagati baji. The boar took with such a speed. Turataki nripa sarasandhana. Immediately, what did the king do? Sarasandhana. He immediately took his bow and took his arrow and he set the bow and arrow. Mahimili gayau bilo katabana. The boar ran. As soon as it saw the bow and arrow, see, they also have a mind. It is a mind. It is not intelligence though. But it is a mind which can understand a little. The moment it sees the shaft, that is a bow and arrow, it started running. Mahimiligaya bilo katabana. It ran for its life. Takita kitira mahisa chalava. The king immediately ran behind that. He just doesn't want to give it up. Therefore, he steadily aimed and the horse was running in its best pace, we may say. Karichala suvara sarira bachana. But the boar was also intelligent. It tried to go here and there, trying to save itself from the arrows shot by the king. Pragata dhurata jai mrigama bhaga. The beast, the boar, you know how it went. It suddenly goes to the right, suddenly went and hid somewhere, suddenly it appears, suddenly it goes into some other route. Like that it was trying all its ways to escape. Rishibasa bhupa chalevu sagalala. The king was also not any less. He also looked very sharp and he somehow wanted to try to this one. He also followed closely on the same track where the boar was going. Gayavu duri ghana gahana barahu. The boar went far deep into the forest. Please note, for the boar it is like its home. But it is a deep forest and Raja is in the focus on the boar. He was also going deeper into the forest along with his horse. Ati akela bana bipula kalesu. That actually that the forest was so dense, even horses and in the period jahan nahina gaja baji nibahu. Gaja baji, gaja elephant, baji horses. It was so thick that even horse or elephant cannot go so easily, but he was somehow pushing himself inside. Ati akela banani pulakalesu. The king was by all himself because the soldiers were all left behind. They had stopped or they had lost track. Oh, so he went with lot of hardships. Tadapi namriga magata jai naresu. In spite of it, this is one of the tendencies of those kings. It is a matter of prestige. It is a matter of their image and ego. Ego will be very strong. Tadapi namriga magatajit naresu. He never would abandon the chase. Kola bilo ki bhupa badadhira. He was so determined, he never turned behind to see how things are and where he has gone. He kept on and on going. Bhagi paithigiri guha gabhira. When the king saw that there was no more access, the boar had already gone. Suddenly he saw it must have gone into some cave or something and there is no route for the cave. Agamadeki nripa ati pachitayi. Now the best part was, he was disappointed because he could not kill the boar. And what is the more worst thing? Phirevu mahabana parevu bhulai. He went so deep into that forest, now he forgot how to get back, how to return. He forgot the route also. So it was such a very, very serious situation. Khedata khinna chuddita trishita. He was khedata, he was very, very exhausted. And chuddita trishita, he was extremely hungry and terribly thirsty. Raja Baji Sameta, even the horse was hungry and thirsty because they were running like mad behind that boar. Khojata vyakula sarita sara. They were searching for somewhere some water, some pond can be there. We can drink some water and freshen up. Jalabinu bayavu acheta. They could not get water anywhere. And in the process, they even fainted. Acheta, they fainted then and there. Tulsidasi says, Phirata bipita ashrama ek dekha taha basanrpati kapata muni besha jasude sanrpalin chadai samarasena taji gayavu parai samaya pratapa bhanu karjani आपन अति असमयानुमानी गयवुन गृहमन बहुत गलानी मिलान राजहिंद्र पभिमानी रिसौर मारि रंक जिमि राजा, बिपिन बसई तापस के साजा, तासु समीप गवन नृप कीन्हा, यह प्रताप रबिते ही तब चीन्हा, राव तृषित नहीं सो पहिचाना, देखि सुबेश महामुनि जाना, उतरी तुरगित ते कीन्ह प्रणामा, परम चतुर न कहि मुनि जनामा, भूपति तृषित बिलोकित ही, सरबरु दीन दिखाई, मज्जन पान समेत हय, कीन्ह नृपति हर्षाई, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. Then what happened? फिरत बिपिन आश्रम एक देखा. How long can you be fainted? Also somehow they woke up probably, and then slowly started walking. Now they have given up that boar, chasing the boar. They given up boar also disappeared. फिरत बिपिन, and while walking, आश्रम एक देखा. They saw one hermitage, one ashram. तहाँ बस नृपति कपट मुनि बेशा. There in that hermitage, there dwelt a person in the disguise of a sadhu. In the disguise of a sadhu, there was one person. Who was he? Jasu desa nripa leena chadai. That person was a king earlier, whom Pratapabhanu himself had, fought a battle and won over him. And that person, Samarasena Teji Gayavu Parai. And Pratapabhanu, valorous king, we discussed earlier. He was so valorous and he just went on killing people. Now that king, to be alive, he escaped from that battle, leaving all his soldiers, not worrying about his soldiers. He ran away into the forest, and that was the person who was in disguise of the hermit there. Samaya Pratapa Bhanu Karajani. Now, Pratapa Bhanu thought it was very favorable because there is somebody there to help him. Apanati asamaya anumani. And the person, the king who was in the disguise of the hermit, he said he could recognize Pratapabhanu, however, but he did not show himself, because being like me, all Jata, Jota, all those might have gone, so you can't very easily recognize. So similarly, he was not recognizable, but somehow he recognized Pratapabhanu, and then he did not disclose his identity, but he was very happy inside. Why? I have got a chance. Gayavuna grihamana bahut galai. He felt much disgusted. Who? Pratapabhanu, because he could not return to his home. And the very interesting is, it's a double meaning. You can also say that this sage disguised king, he could also not go back, because people will make him feel very embarrassed, because he ran away from the battlefield. Milana Raja Nripa Abhimani. And this sage, he immediately recognized and he said, okay, now this is my opportunity. Milana Raja Nripa Abhimani. This person who was in the disguise of a sage did not practice any sadhana or something. Therefore, the inner tendencies, inner vasanas will definitely be there. Therefore, Abhimani. He was there waiting for some opportunity. Risauramari Rankajimi Raja. He suppressed his anger. See, what we do is if you and I see somebody whom we don't like, immediately we react. Isn't it? But that person, he suppressed his anger in his own heart and then he quietly was there. Bipina Basai Tapas Ke Saja. Lived in the forest like what? Like a pauper. And naturally, he just ran away from the battlefield. He did not carry any gold and things like that. So, like a pauper in the garb of an ascetic, he was living in that forest. Tasu Samipa Gavana Nripakinha. It was towards him, Pratapa Bhanu went close by. Yaha Pratapara Tab Chinha. And this sannyasi, he recognized Pratapa Bhanu. Yahi Prataparabi Tehi Tab China, mean he could immediately recognize, but at the same time he did not disclose his identity. Ravutrushita nahi so pahichana. But one thing he recognized was Pratapa Bhanu, who has travelled such a long distance, is thirsty. See, in every single one of us, there is one good part of our mind and there is wrong part of our mind. We are all with gunas, sattva, rajas, tamas. All of us are. In some of us, sattva is more, rajas and tamas is less. In some of us, rajas is more, sattva and tamas is less. In some of us, tamas is extra. Many of us, it is the third case. And sattva and rajas are a bit less. So, based on the duration of a particular guna, we decide what kind of a person he is. If sattva guna is more, you will find that person a very well integrated person, very good person, noble person. His actions will show his nobility. If a person is a very rajasic person, then you will see him hyperactive, doing that, doing this, everything like that. Such people, karma yoga is also very deeply prescribed. In the first case, jnana yoga is prescribed. In the person whom rajas is more, karma yoga is prescribed. And tamas, oh God. First of all, they have to get up and work. That itself is so difficult. So, in some tamas is extremely big. For them, whip and then make them work is important. Like that, there are varieties of gunas. And all of us have got all the three gunas. Alright. So, here, this person, the Swami disguised person, very, very rajasic person. Therefore, even though he wanted to kill this one, little bit of good thought also will be there, you see. So he suppressed his thought. With that good thought, he suppressed himself and quietly he was there. And he saw that the Raja and the horse was very thirsty. Dekhi Subesha Mahamuni Jana. Perceiving the whole perceiving that the king, Pratapa Bhanu, took him to be a great sage. Pratapa Bhanu saw that sage because he was all like a sage, only pauper, no extra new clothes, no gold and nothing like that. He has been living in that forest for God alone knows how many, those days and all, hundreds of years they would live. Utari Turagate Keenha Pranama. He took him to be a sage, took him to a sadhu. Many of us do. Immediately he came down from the horse and he did pranam to that sadhu. I will call sadhu for the time being, but please understand it is a sadhu disguised ex-king, we may say so. Paramachaturana kahau nijanama. The king was, however, kings are also very, very intelligent. They won't release their identity. They will not give their identity so easily. So he also did not give away his identity. Paramachatura, he is very clever. Therefore, Nijanama na kahaun. What did he say? Bhupati trushita bilokite hi sarabarudin dekhai. Seeing that Pratap Banu was thirsty, first they did not speak. He took him to that place where there was water, where there was pond. Majjana pan sameta haya kinha nripati harashai. Both horse and the king, they immediately drank lot of water. They jumped into the pond. They took bath, heartful bath they took. They drank lot of water, and that freshened up very much. Tulsidas says, गए श्रम सकल सुखी नृप भयऊ निज आश्रम तापसल गयऊ आसन दीन अस्तर बिजानी पुनितापस बोले मृदुबानी को तुम कसबन फिरहूँ अकेले सुंदर जुबाजी बपर हेले चक्रवर्ती के लक्षण तोरे देखत दया लागी अति मोरे नाम प्रताप भानु अवनीसा तासु सचिव मैं सुनहु मुनीसा फिरत अहिरे परेऊ बुलाई बड़े भाग देखे पद आई हम कह दुर्लभ दरस तुम्हारा जानत है कछु भल हो निहारा कह मुनि तात भयउ अधिआरा जो जन सत्तरि नगरु तुम्हारा निशा घोर गंभीर बन पंथन सुनहु सुजान बसहु आजु अस जानी तुम जाये होत बिहान तुलसी जसी भवतव्यता तैसी मिलई सुहाई आपुनु आवई ताहि पही ताहि तहाँ ले जाई सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. All their fatigueness, tiredness, strain, all that were gone, having taken very good bath and drinking lot of water. Sukhi nripabayavu, the king became very, 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 very happy, and there was a lot of sign of relief. Nija ashrama tapasale gayavu. After that, he went to the hermitage. He even took the horse near the hermitage. Asanadin hi astira bijani. That sadhu, that ex-king sadhu, he gave him an asan to sit down. Punitapas bole umridabani. Immediately, with soft voice, with good voice, the voice of a sadhu, he inquired about their wellness, and then he spoke. को तुम कसबन फिरहु अकेले. Who are you? को तुम कसबन फिरहु अकेले. Why are you wandering in the forest all alone? It is such a very dangerous forest, and why are you roaming here alone? Sundara jubaji baparahile. You are looking very, very beautiful. You are so young. You are looking handsome. Chakravarti ke lachan tore. You are looking like a Chakravarti. Meaning, you are a very, very powerful person, and you look like a leader. You can see the lakshanas of a leader the moment you see one person. And you'll find the other person all like that. They won't have any lakshanas of a leader. You are looking like a leader. Chakravarti ke lachana tere. Dekhat daya lagi ati more. I feel moved. I feel so a little pity about you that you are lost in this one, but I feel sad for you. Nama pratapa bhanu avanisa tasu sachiva me sunahu munisa. Pratapa Bhanu says, there is one great king called Pratapa Bhanu, tasu sachiva me sunahu. Please listen, I am his minister. Pratapa Bhanu himself tells that he is a minister of Pratapa Bhanu. He doesn't want to reveal his identity. Phirata here pare bhulai, bade bhag dekhe padai. While roaming in the forest, Phirate, I have somehow lost my way. I was following a boar, and that I wanted to kill that boar. I came out for hunting with all my servant, but then all of them I have lost their way, or I have lost my way. They all have gone in some other direction. Bade bhag de kyun padai. Now I feel it is only a good fortune that I came to see your great sage. Therefore I feel bade bai, it is a great fortune in my life. Hum kahan durlabh daras tumhara. It is a great boon. It is a great fortune. It is a blessing by Bhagavan, as though that I could see you. Janat ho kachu bhala honihara. Now I feel, my intuition says that something good is going to come to me. By seeing you, having your darshan, O sage, I am sure, I feel, my intuition says something good is going to happen. Kaha munitata bhayavu adhiyara. Then the Muni said, my dear Raja, bhayavu adhyara, it has become dark. It is now late evening. Where will you go? Jojan sattarig nagar tumhara. Your place is almost Jojana Sattari. It is something like 560 miles away. 560 miles away is your place. So how can you go now at night? Nisa ghora gabhira bana panthana sunahu sujana. Therefore listen, my friend. Now please note, he is the one who was driven away from the battlefield. So he has this one. However, he cannot reveal it. He says, Nisa ghora gambhira bana. Bana, this forest is very, very, very dark. It is first of all dark, and it is very, very dangerous. Therefore, panthana sunahu sujana, because the forest is very dense and trackless, you cannot find the way. Basahu ajo asachani tuma. You stay here tonight. You can't go now. Jaye hu hota behind. No, you do one. You stay tonight. Tomorrow morning, you get up and go, because you will find some place to go. You'll find some way to go. Now in the dark, how can you find? Therefore, you stay here. Tulsidas says, Tulasi jasa bhavatavyata taisi milai suhai. He says, we call it as prarabdha karma. What is prarabdha karma? Sometimes you have to face certain destiny. It is written. That prarabdha karma is because of the karma phala of your past karmas. That karma theory is a very, very different, it's a very huge, topic by itself. In case you are still interested in knowing the karma theory, in our YouTube channel there is one law of karma. There is one talk. Law of karma, again very, very elaborately I have explained. Watch that. Okay, now I will not waste time on that. Alright. But, circumstances will lead you somewhere. Sometimes karma also leads you there. Apanu avai tahi pahi, tahi taha lai jai. Either it comes to man, or man goes towards that. But then, destiny will take you. Prarabdham pushyati vapuhu. Shankaracharya says in Viveka Chudamani, Prarabdham pushyati vapuhu. Prarabdha will push you. So here also Pratapa Bhanu was pushed to this situation. In the last verse for today, भले ही नात आय सुधरि सीसा भांति तुरग तरु भैट महिषा नृप बहु भांति प्रशंसे उताही चरण बंदी निज भाग्य सराही पुनि बोले वो मृदु गिरा सुहाई जानी पिता प्रभु करऊं डिठाई मोहि मोहि मुनीस सुत सेवक जानी नाथ नाम निज कहूँ बखानी तेहि न जान नृप नृप ही सो जाना भूप सुहृद सो कपट सयाना बैरी पुनि छत्री पुनि राजा छल बल कीन चहई निज काजा समुझि राज सुख दुखित अराती अवा अनल इव सुलगई छाती सरल बचन नृप के सुनि काना बयर संभारी हृदय हर्षाना कपट बोरी बानी मृदुल बोले उजुगुति समेत नाम हमार भिखारी अब निर्धन रहित निकेत सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। बोले ही नाथ आय सुधरि सीसा. The king said, O sage, my lord, bowing. See, sannyasis are always held high and the Raja also have to bow down. So, Pratapabhanu bowed down to that Santa. Badhitura gataru baitha mahisa. He tied up the horse and sat. Because night, now he has to spend the night. So he thanked that sage and said, thank you so much. I will stay here and go next morning. He bowed down at his feet, tied the horse, and he also sat down. Nripa bahu bhati prasamse utahi. Nripa, king Pratapabhanu, he praised him. Generally, you do know, if somebody comes and helps us, you always say thank you, you are so nice, etc. Even he also said, Charana bandi nija bhagya sarahi. He touched his feet, took blessings in a manner of saying. He praised him. Puni bole umrudu gira suhai. Then he spoke to me in very mridu bhasha. Very slowly he said, Jani pita prabhu kara udhitai. I consider you like my father. Who says? Pratapabhanu says to that sage, O sage, you are like my father. I consider you like my father, and I am so happy I could meet you. Mohi muni sasuta sevaka jani. Please consider me as your son or as your servant, O sage. Nath nama nija kaham bakhani. Please tell me your name. I would like to know about you. From when you are here, you can add all the questions. From where you are here, where are you born and brought up, why did you come here, when did you come here, how long you are here. You all can, we can add all those questions. He asked everything. What else to do? We have to sit and keep talking. Tehi na jana nripa nripa hi so jana. Pratapabhanu has not recognized him. But that king has recognized Pratapabhanu in a manner of saying, please note, Bhupa suhrudaso kapata sayana. When the king had the pure heart, Pratapabhanu had a very pure heart, very with humility he spoke. The hermit was full of kapata. Fraudulent heart he had. Bhairi puni chhatri puni raja. Even though that Raja is the enemy in the first instance, and not only that, Chatri means not our Chatriya, Kshatriya. First is that Raja is a Vairi, he is an enemy. Second, he is a Kshatriya, and he has got royal blood, isn't it? Kshatriya means royal blood he has. So, you cannot dhamar, you cannot pounce on him. Chala bala keenha chahai nija kaja. Therefore, this sadhu, Vesha Raja, ex-Raja, he thought, you can't straight away wage war with him. I have to capture him through chala, in a cunning way. Samuji Raja Mukha Dukhita Arati. I said, you are a great king and I can't see you. I feel a little sad, O king, that you have to undergo all these, this one, and then you have lost all pleasures and royalty of this one. I feel very sad like that. He made some few remarks. Ava analaiva sulagai chati. While he was giving good words to soft words he was speaking, in his heart there was that fire of jealousy. Why? It is because of Pratapabhanu that he had to come to the forest and be in exile. Therefore that fire of jealousy was burning in his heart. Ama analaiva, fire. But sarala bachana nrupake sunikana. Pratapabhanu heard him speaking with soft voice. Bayara sambari hridaya harashana. He felt very happy. He felt very happy. Kapata bori bani mridula bole ujuguti sameta. That hermit, even though he was burning inside, he spoke with soft voice. Bole ujuguti sameta. नाम हमार भिखारी अब. O Raja, no, minister, because he introduced him as minister, you see. O minister, my name is Bhikari Ab. Why? Nirdhana Rahita. I have no dhana. Niketa. I have no house also. I am living in this cave. Therefore, in this cave. Therefore, my name is Bhikari. Now, please note, both the enemies for each other, in a manner of saying, are staying together, not knowing. One knows the other one is enemy, but Pratapabhanu does not know. Now, what does he do? We will see tomorrow. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai.